Robocorp, where the world comes together to automate.
Robocorp is excited to announce video streaming inside our control room orchestration solution. It displays video footage of unattended bots in action to help you understand how your bots behave and easily troubleshoot any issues. Video streaming lets you review errors with real-time or recorded bot footage, visualize step-by-step bot actions, and share RPA demonstrations with clients or other stakeholders. Seeing what's happening with your unattended bots is a big help. So let's dive into Control Room and check out an example. You'll see the video stream under your Process Step Run page. Be sure to click the Video Stream tab first. It's in the same group as the Console Output, Artifacts, and Timeline tabs. In this example, we built a simple bot that launches Windows Notepad, selects a preferred font, and draws a picture of our mascot, Mark the Monkey, within the text file. You can watch the robot run in real time or replay it after it's finished. Robocorp implemented strict security measures. Video streaming is an opt-in feature that is not on by default. It must be enabled in the control room organization as well as on the specific workers. The video transfer and storage are fully encrypted. And after the run is complete, the video data has the same retention times as the artifacts. The new feature is now available to Robocorp Flex and Enterprise customers. Please visit robocorp.com today to learn more.
Robocorp, where the world comes together to automate.